Now here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Here is my workspace. I work messy like an artist. As I am putting together the Advanced Home Herbalist binders that I'm mailing out this week for my very first students. So this is the binder you get, the 3-ring binder. My artwork here, watercolor, printed onto a nice sturdy piece of paper, not regular computer paper. And so this is your cover. That is if you choose the Home Herbalist, Advanced Home Herbalist course, the mail version. If you are getting the email version, you do not get this lovely binder. So then inside, you receive 1 ounce of one of my tea blends. This is Love May Tea. And a coupon, very simple coupon, but 20% off of all of my herbal products or herbs for the entire time you're my student. And then here is month 1. This is the welcome letter. Information on the certificate. Your monthly requirements. And then skipping ahead a little bit, here's some nice, beautiful pictures. It's about 11 pages of information to read and do work on for the month. So every month you'll probably have about 10, 11 pages of information to read, plus the 2 classes you have to attend, and they are either in person in Bethel, where I live, or Eastern Pennsylvania if I have a class somewhere else. Or I will accept you going to another class, someone else's class. If you do, you have to send me a 300-word summary on the class. So I was saying, if you attend someone else's class, you can do that. I will let you do that, but you have to send me a summary on it. If you attend my classes, you don't have to do a summary. If you can't get to a class in person, you can watch 2 of my videos, my class videos a month, and send a 300-word summary on those 2 videos. And they are in my Sheep Hill Herbs YouTube channel. And I typically put class in the title so you know, and they're long. They're like an hour long. I did upload something that was 2 parts, so 2 25-minute videos. But this is what I'm sending out, and I'm really excited. And if you get the mail version, then every month, so you have a payment that's due the 25th of the month prior. So then every month you get mailed to you your packet of the next month's lessons. And then you just put it in your binder and you're good to go, unless you're getting the email version. So there is a fee for getting the mail version, mailed to you version, a one-time fee in the beginning that's extra besides the monthly payment amount. So if you want more information on my course, go to my website, sheephillherbs.com, and go to my contact page. Why couldn't I think of that? My contact page, and send me a message asking for more information. You can also go to my link tree, and if you're good at the internet, you can navigate my link tree, and I have an Eventbrite link that shows you all the information there on this course. And if you want to go through all those tabs, you can find more information about me and what I share with you and what I recommend with you. So hope you enjoyed this little video, and come again. Please share if you know anyone who wants to be an herbalist, wants to know more about home herbalism. It's the stepping stone, the beginning. Then please send them my way. Thanks.